Let's talk about the cloud. Now, the cloud is your way of having access to pretty much any kind of file from wherever you need. Now, to look at the cloud, just click here, and it's going to start you off with looking at the files of people you follow. In this case, I follow ILN, so I see a bunch of ILN's files. Now, to see my files, just click around here, and you can see all the files I have, such as the bunny, other images, videos, etc. You can upload new files, say a picture or video of yourself using a webcam or camera phone or things like that. You can upload, in a more generic sense, you can upload a private file such that only people you explicitly give permission to can see the file, a public file such that anybody can see it. You can give some options such as a name or description, and you can add tags which make your file much easier to find. You can type in a new tag, like so, just hit enter or hit that button, although I'm going to add the already made tag, cloud demo, and I'm going to hit the choose file button. I can upload a doc, a video, and an image all at the same time. My bad. Click and drag, and you can click the open button and upload all three. And they're going to all upload with those settings that I had, such that they all have the tag and they're all private. Now, you can do a lot of things with your file, such as download, share, give away, edit, things like that. I'm actually going to share this image with a few people. I'm going to share it with a member, an email, and a phone number. Now, mind you, you would have to type this all out if you haven't already put them in once. I've typed these in before, so these show up for me already. So you only have to type it out once. So click that. And now I'm going to share this with those three. Click share. And because it's a private file and I'm trying to share this file with, say, an email and phone that might not have an account, it's going to ask for an access code. So just click yes on that. And the files are shared. Now, if I want to more easily find my files, remember how we added the tag to these. Just click this, the tags here, look through the tags that you have, in this case, Cloud Demo, and click that, and all files with that tag show up. Now, I did just add a couple of new files, so I'm going to just check on how much storage I have left, and I have only used 0.04 gigabytes of my 25 free gigabytes. That's quite good, actually. I still have quite a lot of space. If I want to upgrade my plan, though, say I need more space, I could always upgrade by going here. Oops, sorry, wrong button. Upgrade. You can upgrade to, say, a Pro plan, 100 gigabytes, 500, etc. Now, I'm actually going to go back to my dashboard, because one of the beautiful parts about ILN is that now that we have all of our new files, I can add these however I want. We already have access to these new files. I can even actually do all the actions with these. I can edit this, say I can make this my math homework a public file, and save that. Click off. And now I could add that, like so. I'm going to make this a note. And now I already have my new file all set up with my entry. And I'm going to add the note. And that's the beauty of it. I can easily add files whenever and wherever, and I can use them however I need with entries and anything else.